Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, energized, and healthier, without spending extra hours in the gym, or going crazy on supplements or meds. Today we'll reveal how you can literally burn fat while you sleep. You heard that right. Sleep gives opportunity to shed those stubborn pounds. Are you curious about how it all works? Welcome to Levitas. While you sleep, your body enters a state of repair and regeneration, crucial for overall health and fat loss. During deep sleep, your body's metabolic processes shift, prioritizing fat burning. Growth hormone levels peak, encouraging the breakdown of fat stores for energy. Meanwhile, your basal metabolic rate, or the calories you burn at rest, remains active, meaning you're burning calories even when your eyes are closed. So, quality sleep creates an optimal environment for fat loss, making it a critical component of any weight loss strategy. What are the best ways to burn fat while sleeping? Here are our top ways to increase fat burning while you sleep, for optimal results. 1. Sleep is more than just a break from your day, it's a critical time for your body to burn fat. Studies have shown that insufficient sleep disrupts your metabolism, slowing down your resting metabolic rate and decreasing your body's ability to burn fat. When you sleep less, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone that promotes fat storage, especially around the belly. Moreover, sleep deprivation affects your hunger hormones, increasing your appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. To maximize fat burning while you sleep, aim for at least 8 hours of uninterrupted good quality sleep each night. A consistent sleep schedule, a dark, cool bedroom, and a relaxing bedtime routine can all help you achieve this. 2. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels and fat storage. High insulin levels, often caused by eating late, or by consuming high-carb meals, greatly inhibit fat burning and promote fat storage. To keep insulin levels low and enhance fat burning during sleep, avoid eating at least 4 hours before bed. Consider a healthy keto dinner rich in fats, moderate in protein, and low in high-quality carbs, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and minimizes insulin spikes. By keeping insulin levels low, your body can access fat stores more easily, leading to greater fat loss overnight. 3. Staying hydrated is key to supporting your metabolism, including fat burning. Drinking water before dinner can increase energy expenditure through a process known as water-induced thermogenesis. Research shows that drinking about 500 milliliters of water can boost your metabolism by up to 30% for about an hour. However, it's important not to drink too much water too close to bedtime, as this can disrupt your sleep with frequent trips to the bathroom. Aim to drink a moderate amount of water before dinner to stay hydrated and support fat burning while ensuring a restful night's sleep. 4. Growth hormone plays a significant role in fat metabolism, helping to break down fat stores and prevent fat accumulation. To enhance your growth hormone levels, focus on increasing your intake of dietary fiber, such as flax seeds or psyllium, which also help regulate blood sugar and promote satiety. Reducing screen time before bed is also crucial, as blue light from screens can suppress melatonin production, disrupting sleep and growth hormone release. Also, consider using red light and dimming your lights in the evening to create a sleep-friendly environment. Also, consuming high-quality carbs, about 4 hours before bed, can support the release of serotonin, which is converted to melatonin, further improving sleep quality and growth hormone production. Supplementing with dimagnesium malate, at 400 to 500 milligrams, can also support relaxation and hormone balance, setting the stage for optimal fat burning during sleep. 5. Kefir is a fermented milk drink rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health and overall metabolism. Consuming kefir before bed can improve your sleep quality by promoting the production of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps induce sleep. Better sleep, as we've discussed, means better fat burning. Additionally, kefir supports healthy digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your body can efficiently use the nutrients you consume for energy, rather than storing them as fat. So, kefir can create an optimal environment for fat burning while also improving your gut health and sleep quality. 6. Taking a light walk before bed can help you burn extra calories and promote relaxation, both of which are beneficial for fat loss. Walking helps lower your blood sugar levels, reducing the amount of insulin your body needs, which in turn promotes fat burning. Moreover, walking can help alleviate stress and anxiety, improving sleep quality by preparing your body and mind for rest. A 30 to 45-minute walk after dinner can be an excellent addition to your nighttime routine, helping you wind down and setting the stage for overnight fat burning. 7. Eating late at night reduces sleep quality. This is where early time restricted feeding, also known as ETRF, comes into play. It involves eating all your meals within a shorter time window, typically within 6 to 8 hours, and fasting for the remaining 16 to 18 hours of the day. This approach aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm, improving metabolic health and promoting fat loss. By stopping eating earlier in the day, your body has more time to process and utilize the calories consumed, reducing the likelihood of fat storage. Additionally, ETRF has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support better sleep, all of which contribute to enhanced fat burning while you sleep. By simply adjusting the timing of your meals, you can make a significant impact on your body's ability to burn fat while sleeping. In conclusion, during sleep, your body undergoes essential repair and regeneration processes that are crucial for both overall health and fat loss. Deep sleep triggers a shift in metabolic processes, prioritizing fat burning as growth hormone levels peak, aiding in the breakdown of fat stores for energy. The calories you burn at rest, or basal metabolic rate, remain active, meaning you're still burning calories while sleeping. To maximize fat burning during sleep, it's essential to prioritize getting at least 8 hours of quality sleep each night, avoid late-night eating to keep insulin levels low, and stay hydrated by drinking water before dinner. Consuming foods that support growth hormone levels, such as fermented drinks like kefir, dietary fiber, and healthy carbs, and incorporating sleep-enhancing habits like a light walk before bed, can further enhance your body's ability to burn fat. Additionally, adopting an early time restricted feeding or ETRF aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm, improving metabolic health and promoting fat loss by ensuring that calories consumed are effectively utilized rather than stored as fat. Through these strategies, you can create an optimal environment for your body to burn fat while you sleep. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.